Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. My name is Rhonda Robson. I am starting a series of bloom experiments. They're little mini videos and I think you're gonna like this series. All right, so on number 9, what I decided to do is I tried to make it an ocean scene with using the colors. So I did kind of like, I sprinkled the I took, I guess it would be sprinkled a little bit. Anyway, I took the colors and I kind of spread them around in the lower area for the water and then the upper area for like a sunrise or a sunset. And then I swiped it one direction and then I swiped it the other direction to give it some definition and difference, and then I spun it out. So I think you're gonna like this one. Let me get you down on the canvas and let me show you it. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you enjoy this and I hope you consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. All right, bye for now. Bye. Okay, so the last experiment I did, I would say was good in the sense that I learned a lot. The Mars Black was okay for cells, but the Amsterdam White is the best. And so I will continue to use the white for a while, and I will probably try another Amsterdam color, maybe use the black as well to see if the cells on that work better, because I don't have Amsterdam Black right now. So we will just do it what we have and go from there. Okay, so we're gonna do some more blooms, and I am gonna work on trying to figure out how to create an ocean-like scene, right? So spinning it helps to stretch the canvas or stretch the paint on the canvas. And so the thing with that is that if I'm going to be doing any type of a beach theme, I've got to be careful with if I'm going to spin it or am I going to just tilt it. So my question is, I'm wondering if I should spin or not. So I think the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create the ocean and how I want it. And so I'm going to do like a sunrise or sunset or sunrise here, ocean here, right? And I'm going to swipe from one side to the other. So that way it stays kind of in the colors. But the thing is that I kind of need all the colors together to get that. So it's kind of hard to explain. So because when I swipe it, I loved how all the colors mix together to give you that beach theme. So I've got to kind of think through that. But I'm going to start right now, just go ahead and putting, I'm just going to sprinkle the purple kind of in this top area, a little bit down here in the ocean area, but not much. So I've got that, and then I have the pink that I'm going to sprinkle up in the upper area. I've got the gold that I'm going to sprinkle in all throughout here, and I'm going to bring it down into the ocean area. Then I've got the blue that I want to bring up all over, because blue's in the sky, right? Exactly. Okay, and then I'm going to add in the cobalt blue only in the ocean part. And then I do have this light aqua blue that I'm going to put in both areas. Just a tiny bit up here. Okay, so now what I'd like to do, I think I'm gonna swipe this direction and then that direction there. So we're gonna put this white here, and then we're gonna put the white here, and we're gonna swipe. First, this direction. Okay, get that off of there. And then in this direction. And let's just see how that looks before I start to spin it. The other thing is like, okay, well, should I do like a paint spray through here or something, you know? But maybe I could just like take my palette knife. Like that. Okay. So I'm gonna let that sit for just a few moments and see what kind of comes of it. Up here, I think what I wish I wouldn't have done is as much blue as I did. I wish it was just more of the gold and the pink and purple. So next time I'll do that on the next one. All right, let's go ahead and spin this. Oh, there's a fly. So I'm definitely going to do this again, and on the top I'm only going to put the pink, purple, and gold, no blue. But I will keep the gold through here. Look at that. Wow, that's super cool. All right, I'm going to do it again. It worked out having the two halves and swiping in two different directions. That seemed to do something different for each one, so it kind of defines it better. So I do like that. That looks really cool. All right, well, I like it. I'm gonna take a picture of it. This fly is bothering me. It's like going zzz, zzz, zzz. You probably heard it because I have the microphone on me. I really like this. That looks really cool. I hope you like it too.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.